This tree has been creaking at night since the ice storm, and I guess there was a pretty intense storm last night, July the 24th, that decided to take down this significant branch of it in my landlady's backyard. And I thought I'd just do a quick videotape of, she's lucky it didn't hit her shed. It just has done some damage to whatever fence was between the two properties, but my goodness, there's a whole bunch of animals that have been displaced that are very disrupted today, and you can just see it's a significant branch that's come right down. Wow. It's the ice storm clearly wasn't done. Hi, Jilly. Yeah. It's going to take a little bit to clean that one up. I hope the neighbor's deck is still in good shape. Wowzers.